Let's make Elsa's peanut butter carrot birthday cake. We need 1 large organic egg, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally 1/4 cup of canola oil. This is it for the wet ingredients, and we're going to combine all of these. Stir, stir, stir. Poof. Okay, now we need 1 cup of carrots, and we're also going to combine this. Just stir it up and stir it up. Right, for the dry ingredients, we need 1 cup of 1 cup of flour, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to combine the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. And let's stir until it's all mixed in well. Poof! And we're done. Okay, now we're going to get our pan and grease it. And we're going to leave it in the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's put it in. What? It's done already? Yep. Okay, let's decorate the cake. So we have some whipped cream cheese, and we're going to cover the cake with the cheese. The dogs aren't supposed to eat too much, so we're not going to do it too perfectly. So I'm just going to lift up the cream cheese a little so it'll look more like dog fur, so it'll look more like Elsa. So let's just do that. After this, I'm going to make the ears. I'm just going to take some cream cheese and just roll it in my hand, not anything too professional, and just place it on top of the cake. I'm going to take some pink food coloring and combine it to make the inside of the ears as well as her nose. After that, I'm taking some black food coloring and combining it to the cream cheese to make her eyes and her mouth. And this is how it came out. Let's see if Elsa will like it. Before we start, just now, I know you guys want to sing. Kodak, sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Elsie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Elsie. Happy birthday to Elsa. Who's Elsa? Say Elsa. Cody. They just want the cake. You want the cake too. It's not your birthday. Okay, ready? You didn't finish singing. Yes, happy birthday, Elsie. Here's a birthday girl. Hey, birthday girl, look your cake. Oh yes, you can lick it, but your guests have to come first. I'm gonna put it here. You're gonna eat it? I need to cut it first. Are you gonna sit down in your throne, or are you just gonna wait for me to feed you? Come, sit. Okay. Elsa, I need to cut it. May I cut it first? You didn't even watch it. I'm gonna cut it still. You ate the ears already. Okay, I guess you like it. I'm still gonna cut it. Good girl. Sit. 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 Cody, come. Come, boy. Cola, you didn't eat your slice. Thank you everyone for coming to Elsa's 6th birthday party.